Case Studies. Flood in Bihar. Bihar is India's most flood-prone state. With 76% of the population in the North Bihar living under the recurrent threat of flood devastation. Major flood-causing rivers. North Bihar is a playfield of 8 major rivers. All these rivers end up in Ganga River. 1. Ghagra. 2. Gandak. 3. Budhi Gandak. 4. Bagmati. 5. Kamla. 6. Butahi Balan. 7. Kosi. 8. Mahananda. Causes. Geographically, Nepal is a mountainous region. When heavy rains occur in the mountains of central and eastern Nepal, the water flows into the major drainages of Narayani, Bagmati and Koshi rivers. As these rivers cross into India, they flow into the plains and lowlands of Bihar and break their banks. To protect the Koshi River Dam as well as the Koshi barrage pools embankments, Indian engineers who are in charge of the dam in Nepal further open the dam's gates, which can cause flooding downriver in Bihar. Deforestation in the catchment area has led to increase in the silt content of the river flow. The total catchment area of the Kosi is 74,030 km square, excluding the catchment areas of its two important tributaries, the Kamla 7,232 square kilometers and the Bagmati 14,384 square kilometers. These tributaries of the Kosi are important in themselves and are generally dealt with separately. Out of the total catchment of the Kosi, only 11,410 km square are located in India and rest 62,620 square kilometer lie in Nepal and Tibet. The river's catchment area at Triveni in Nepal is 59,550 square kilometers. The average rainfall in the upper catchment of the Kosi is 1,589 millimeters, while in the lower areas it is 1,323 millimeters. The average annual silt load of the river is 11 crores 40 lakhs meter cube. Farakka barrage has led to the following problems upstream of the barrage: interception of the flow channel or changed from straight to oblique, sedimentation 640 by 106 metric tons per year, reduction of cross-sectional area, declining slope of the long profile, widening of the river and increasing length, increase in flood frequency and magnitude. Effects of floods. Floods in Bihar are a recurring disaster which on an annual basis destroys thousands of human lives apart from livestock and assets worth crores. The 2013 flood in Bihar affected more than 59 lakh people in 3,768 villages in 20 districts of the state. According to some historical data, 16.5% of the total flood-affected area in India is located in Bihar, while 22.1% of the flood-affected population in India lives in Bihar. About 68,800 square kilometers out of total geographical area of 94,160 square kilometers comprising 73.06% is flood-affected. Nepal earthquake 2015. The earthquake occurred on 25th April 2015 at 11:56 am NST. At a depth of approximately 15 kilometers, with its epicenter approximately 34 kilometers east-southeast of Lamjung. Nepal lasting approximately 50 seconds. The India Meteorological Department, IMD, said 2 powerful quakes were registered in Nepal at 6:11 UTC and 6:45 UTC. The first quake measured 7.8 MW on the Richter scale and its epicenter was identified at a distance of 80 kilometers to the northwest of Kathmandu, the capital of Nepal. Bharatwar was the nearest major city to the main earthquake, 53 kilometers from the epicenter. The second earthquake was somewhat less powerful at 6.6 MW. It occurred 65 kilometers east of Kathmandu and its seismic focus lay at a depth of 10 kilometers below the Earth's surface. Causes. According to the USGS, the earthquake was caused by a sudden thrust or release of built-up stress along the major fault line where the Indian plate carrying India is slowly diving underneath the Eurasian plate carrying much of Europe and Asia. Kathmandu, situated on a block of crust approximately 120 kilometers wide and 60 kilometers long, reportedly shifted 3 meters to the south in a matter of just 30 seconds. Effects. The intensity on the modified Mercalli scale in small parts of Kathmandu was 9. Violent. In most of Kathmandu, the intensity was 6. As evidenced by the numerous undamaged water towers installed on top of undamaged multi-story buildings. Tremors were felt in the neighboring Indian states of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal, Sikkim, Jharkhand, Uttarakhand, Gujarat, in the national capital region around Delhi and as far south as Karnataka. Many buildings were brought down in Bihar. Minor cracks in the walls of houses were reported in Odisha. Minor quakes were registered as far as Kochi in the southern state of Kerala. The intensity in Patna was 5, moderate. The intensity was 4, light, in Dhaka, Bangladesh. The earthquake was also experienced across southwestern China, ranging from Tibet Autonomous Region to Chengdu, which is 1900 kilometers away from the epicenter. Tremors were felt in Pakistan and Bhutan. Impacts. The earthquake killed more than 8,800 in Nepal and injured nearly 3 times as many. The rural death toll may have been minimized by the fact that most villagers were outdoors working when the quake hit. As of 15th May, 6,271 people, including 1,700 from the 12th May aftershock, were still receiving treatments for their injuries. Nearly 3.5 million people were left homeless. In the Langtang Valley, located in Langtang National Park, 329 people were reported missing after an avalanche hit the village of Ghoda Tabela and the village of Langtang. The avalanche was estimated to have been 2 to 3 kilometers wide. Ghoda Tabela was an area popular on the Langtang trekking route. The village of Langtang was destroyed by the avalanche. Smaller settlements on the outskirts of Langtang were buried during the earthquake, such as Chamki, Thiangsiap, and Mundu. 12 locals and 2 foreigners were believed to have survived. Smaller landslides occurred in the Trishuli River Valley, with reports of significant damage at Mailung, Simli, and Arkel. Thousands of houses were destroyed across many districts of the country, with entire villages flattened, especially those near the epicenter. According to UNESCO, more than 30 monuments in the Kathmandu Valley collapsed in the quake, and another 120 incurred partial damage. Repair estimates are $160 million to restore 1,000 damaged and destroyed monasteries, temples, historic houses, and shrines across the country. The destruction is concentrated in the Kathmandu Valley.